Assalamu alaikum. I am on Mohammed.
I am Ronak Raj.
I am Mohammad Hunain.
We are undergraduate students in computer system engineering from Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Pakistan. Today we present our prototype of a voice-operated prosthetic arm, or in short VOPA, made from affordable materials and custom built by hand. This isn't 3D printed, we built it from scratch, from the fingers to the frame, to make it truly accessible to those who cannot afford 3D printed or muscle sensor based prosthetics. Let me show you the design. We assembled each part manually using cardboard, ice cream sticks and strings. The tendons are controlled by Tower Pro MG996R, a high torque servo motor, and give lifelike finger movements. The structure is lightweight yet durable, designed to perform basic gripping tasks reliably. Our project runs on an Arduino Uno and an LM2596 buck converter to power the servo. Instead of using Bluetooth or muscle sensor, we used Elechouse VR3 voice recognition model, which allows the user to control the arm using simple voice commands. This choice makes the device usable even for people who may not have strong residual muscles, increasing accessibility.
For the mounting system and ergonomics, we designed the arm to secure with Velcro straps, making it light enough to wear comfortably for longer duration. Our team ensured everything is modular, easy to adjust and repair with locally available materials.
Now let me demonstrate how the prosthetic works with the voice command. First, I will position the arm near the can and give the command close. Arm grips the can. Then I will give the command open and arm releases the can. Close. Open.
One major challenge we faced was that the voice command didn't work properly in noisy environment. To solve this, we returned the command with clear, simple, and adjust the delay timing in the code, which made the recognition much more reliable even with the background noise.
This project demonstrates that innovation does not always need a big budget, just creativity, intent, and effort. While commercial prosthetic solutions cost thousands of dollars across the world, our solution reduced this technology down to $100, making it accessible to those who cannot afford it. Beyond this prototype, we envisioned of expanding the command set and refining the design to help the differently abled individuals gain independence through technology. As engineering students, we believe that technology should serve humanity, especially those often overlooked by market-driven innovations. That is the true spirit of Arduino and open source technology. Thank you for your attention.